Indonesia is an integrated investment platform where spectacular nature, deep culture, and modern infrastructure.
日本とインドネシアは長年の友人であり、民主主義を含む基本的価値を共有する包括的戦略的パートナーです。
I thank you for your enthusiastic participation. We do hope that you will visit Indonesia often.
Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, before I continue, I again would like to acknowledge the presence of our very special guests in this very special event. Our Coordinating Minister for Human Development and Culture, His Excellency Professor Pratikno. State Minister of Education, Culture, Sport, Science and Technology of Japan, His Excellency Takebe Arata. Her Excellency Selvi Ananda Gibran Rakabuming Raka, who is the wife of our Vice President, and she's also the General Chairwoman of the National Craft Council of Indonesia. We have also the presence of our colleagues, the distinguished members of the parliaments of the Republic of Indonesia under the leadership of Her Excellency Ibu Titi Soeharto. My very good friend in the parliament, because I was member of the parliament back then, who is now our ambassador in Japan, His Excellency Heri Ahmadi. Vice Minister of National Planning, His Excellency Febrian Rudyard. And most of all, you all, dear friends of Indonesia. I'm Tantowi Yahya. I'm so privileged to be given a chance to guide you through this very beautiful journey, exploring all the beauties of one of the largest countries in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, speaking about Indonesia, then we have to speak about one of the largest archipelago in the world. It's a country of nearly 280 million people living in more than 15,000 islands. Then we talk about one of the most diverse and multicultural country in the world. So ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to lead you to a very beautiful journey. I'm talking about a very good story. It was said by our minister, in a word that shifts and sways, there is a nation stands calling for brighter days. Along the equator's golden line, where ocean meets and hopes align. A land where differences walk as one, with roots celebrated and countless dreams begun. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our story. Welcome to Indonesia, the land of harmony. Here, the sea meets the sky in an endless journey. This is a story from ancestors who dared to sail, the stars as their guide, the tide as their trail. They follow the winds with hope as their song. Bound across islands, united and strong. We are the children of the archipelago. Together, we journey where the horizons glow. Come, join our voyage of visions and courage to a brighter future where we all belong.
Pancasila. Pancasila are the 5 pillars of our state. We seek to build a better world.
Cita-cita pembangunan kita, bahkan perjuangan kita, ialah tercapainya masyarakat adil dan makmur berdasarkan daripada Pancasila.
Keanekaragaman dari suku itu justru menjadi sumber daya motor kekuatan untuk melaksanakan perubahan-perubahan yang menguntungkan seluruh bangsa yang hidup di sini.
Kita akan tetap terus sebagai bangsa yang sama walaupun berbeda-beda keyakinan.
Pemuda-pemudi Indonesia menatap masa depan dengan penuh gagah berani untuk kita bisa berdiri di atas kaki sendiri.
Bahwa bangsa Indonesia sejak era kemerdekaan hingga sekarang ini adalah bangsa yang tangguh, pantang menyerah, dan memiliki daya juang yang kuat.
Persatuan kita, bahwa kerukunan kita, bahwa kerja keras dan kegotong royongan kita dapat membawa Indonesia melompat lebih tinggi lagi.
Kita bangun Indonesia di atas landasan yang sudah dirintis oleh pendahulu-pendahulu kita. Indonesia harus segera swasembada pangan dalam waktu yang sesingkat-singkatnya. Bahkan kita siap menjadi lumbung pangan dunia.
Feel the earth, breathe the air, listen to the stream. They hold our past, carry our dreams. Echoing our story that lives on in an everlasting song. Bengawan Solo.
Bengawan Solo, riwayatmu kini sedari dulu jadi perhatian insani. Musim kemarau tak seberapa airmu, di musim hujan
The moment passed, yet never far. The golden days when we laughed, we loved, we learned. This is 17.
Masihkah kau mengingat di saat kita masih 17? Waktu di mana tanggal-tanggal merah terasa sungguh meriah. Masihkah kau ingat cobaan terberat kita matematika? Masihkah kau ingat lagu di radio yang merdu mengudara? Kita masih sebebas itu, rasa takut yang tak pernah mengganggu, batas naluri bahaya. Dulu tingginya lebih logika. Waktu yang terus berjalan menempa kita. Walau kini kita terpisah, namun jiwaku tetap di sana. Oh, di masa di masa naluri bahaya. Oh yeah, yeah. Muda jiwa selamanya muda, kisah kita abadi selamanya. Kita masih sebebas itu, na 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 na. Rasa takut yang tak pernah mengganggu. Oh, oh, na 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 na. Sederas apapun harus di hidupmu, genggam terus kenangan tentang kita. Seberapapun dewasa mengujimu, takkan lebih dari yang engkau bisa. Dan kisah kita abadi untuk selama-lamanya. Dan kisah kita abadi untuk selama-lamanya.
Harmony was never made of the voices that sing the same. It's a rhythm built from yours and mine. We move in difference, and still we move through. Sepatu.
Ku senang bila diajak berlari kencang, tapi aku takut kamu kelelahan. Ku tak masalah bila terkena hujan, tapi aku takut kamu kedinginan. Ishonita inosa demo nani mo dekinai. Demo nani mo dekinai. Futari no jikan wa saiko sa, chigau kutsu bako ni ireば愛しい。君の の近くは天国さでも触れ合うことすらできない僕らななななななななmungkin tak semua bisa bersatu.
Some people shape our way. Some faces fade as time slips away. But here with Kali, a big heart and a pure soul, we thank those who made us whole. Monochrome.
Lembaran foto hitam putih, aku coba ingat lagi warna bajumu kala itu, kali pertama di hidupku manusia lain memelukku. Lembaran foto hitam putih, aku coba ingat lagi wangi rumah di sore itu, kue coklat balon warna-warni, pesta hari ulang tahunku. Dimanapun kalian berada, ku kirimkan terima kasih untuk warna dalam hidupku dan banyak kenangan indah. Kau melukis aku, yeah. Kita tak pernah tahu berapa lama kita diberi waktu. Jika aku pergi lebih dulu, jangan lupakan aku. Ini lagu untukmu, oh, ungkapan terima kasihku, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Lembar monokrom hitam putih, aku coba ingat warna demi warna di hidupku. Takkan ku mengenal cinta bila bukan karena hati baikmu, oh yeah.
Strength lives in us from the start. A gift shaped by the hands of God. We are and have always been manusia kuat.
Kau bisa patahkan kakiku, tapi tidak mimpi-mimpiku. Kau bisa lumpuhkan tanganku, tapi tidak mimpi-mimpiku. Kau bisa merebut senyumku, tapi sungguh tak akan lama. Kau bisa merobek hatiku, tapi aku tak obatnya. Oh, manusia-manusia kuat, itu kita. Jiwa-jiwa yang kuat, itu kita. Manusia kuat, itu kita. Jiwa-jiwa yang kuat, itu kita. Oh, na-na-na. Bila bukan kehendaknya, tidak satu pun culasmu manusia kuat, itu kita jiwa-jiwa yang kuat. Itu kita manusia-manusia kuat, itu kita jiwa-jiwa yang kuat. Indonesia, oh ya ya, bangsaku Indonesia bineka, Indonesia, Indonesia ya, Indonesia bangsaku, Indonesia bineka, Indonesia. Kau bisa patahkan kakiku, patah tanganku, rabut senyumku, hitamkan putihnya hatiku, tapi tidak mimpi-mimpiku. Oh ya. Terima kasih.
This is the melody passed down through generation, and the love for the land we call home. This is a song of hope and unity. This is Indonesia, thriving in harmony. Tanah airku.
Tanah airku tidak kulupakan, kan terkenang selama hidupku. Biarpun saya pergi jauh, tidakkan hilang dari kalbu. Tanahku yang ku cintai, engkau ku hargai. Kan terkenang selama hidupku, biarpun saya pergi jauh, tidakkan hilang dari kalbu. Tanahku yang ku cintai, engkau ku hargai. Tanah airku kan terkenang selama hidupku, biarpun saya pergi jauh, tidakkan hilang dari kalbu. Tanahku yang ku cintai, engkau ku hargai.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for being part of what we honor, what we hold, and what we continue to become. The curtain may fall, but our story lives on. We would like to thank a big thank to some friends who have walked with us, to a very special friend, Astra. We would like to thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, Direktur Astra, Ibu Gita Tiffany Bur, Chief of Corporate Affairs Astra, Bapak Boy Kelana Subroto. Thank you very much. And most of all, thank you everyone. Come, discover more, visit our Indonesia Pavilion.
Have you ever stopped just for a while and wondered why the world makes you smile? Maybe it's because beauty wears many faces. Found in soft voices in faraway places. Where leaves souffle speak, the air starts to sing. And light dances slowly on everything. It moves through the people, their strength, and their grace. In the warmth of a thread, in the lines of a face. It lingers in meals and spice. In the air, in hands that prepare it with love and with care. Here, the past and the present walk side by side. As tomorrow begins with the stars as its guide. A future where all that we do and we see leads to a world thriving in harmony. So, come as you are. Bring question, bring wonder, bring time you can spend. We welcome every heart, every hand, every soul to walk through this story, to feel something whole. Come aboard the Indonesia Pavilion. This is our journey, and now it's yours too.